Hello everyone, welcome back to our premium course. Today we will focus about construction level in Tekla Structural Designer. This is the right view, the left view, and the story height from floor to floor is 3.2 meter, 3.2. The last upper floor is 3 meter. And we add new basement, keep the deep 3.2. The same with the story height. A level 0 at the ground floor, level 0, level 2, level 3 to the level 19. Now we had to create the construction level. Create the new project, model, construction level in Tekla Structural Designer. Before you can create structural element, steel column, steel beam, press, or C column or C beam, core wall or mesh wall, slab on beam, you have to create the construction wall and grid line. Now start from the construction levels. Click the reference, base name, base type, TOS, level 0.0. The source is similar with the tab. You can select the master story. So the other story, you can use the same with the master story. For the structural element, you model one floor, other floor will be created the same. And also for the loading, can apply load in the master story floor, and other floor will be directly copy, duplicate to the other floor for the loading. Insert below, check the basement we want. We keep the level minus 3.2. Add level 0. Yeah, from the level 0, the basement we want is minus 3.2. Basement I insert above. Keep the spacing 3.2 meter. And you can change the name, floor 1, floor 2, for story 1, story 2. Okay, the basement B1, the base or ground floor, story 1, or you can change for the other story name, story 2, story 3, story 4, story 5, come back, construction level, story 1, copy, story 2, insert the last upper floor, change the spacing to 3 meter, change it to rows. Okay, save the project. Check it again. Is correct or not? We want base level 2. Level 2 you can change it to the level 01 or 02 or 03. B1 and story 1 to the mezzanine floor. Mezzanine floor, story 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15 and 16. Now delete the story. Okay, save file. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is how you can create structural level in Tekla Structural Designer. Don't forget to check with the architectural plan to make sure everything is okay.